Toads have several distinguishing features that can help us identify them. 1. Dry, warty skin. Toads have dry, bumpy skin that is covered in warts or glands that secrete toxins. 2. Short, wide body. Toads have a short, wide body with a squat appearance. Their legs are relatively short and they tend to walk rather than hop. 3. Parotoid glands. Toads have large, raised glands behind their eyes called parotoid glands. These glands secrete toxins that can be harmful to predators. 4. No teeth. Toads do not have teeth in their upper jaw. 5. No webbing between toes. Toads have relatively short, stubby toes with no webbing between them. 6. No vocal sac. Male toads do not have a vocal sac. These are some of the key features that can help us distinguish toads from other types of amphibians.